So we've been filming all day and I'm sneaking back into the set just to do a really quick little segment. So we're doing this wrap series and I just love this. So I'm stealing one of the wraps and I'm going to show you how to do it because it's really fun. We're in KERA Studios. You saw the set going together. You saw everything. I'll show you a few other things. But this wrap is amazing. What I love about this wrap is look at the back. It's so pretty. It's just so feminine. It doesn't come together in the front, but it's just really gentle. See, they just caught me. But also what this does is it goes around your neck and it becomes a scarf. Those armholes become holes that you take one side and put it through, and then you can adjust it to be a scarf. So it's just a great look. It's great to take somewhere. It's great to travel because you can warm up and then you cold, you can wrap it around you. So let me give you the dimensions. It's 50 inches long times 36 inches wide. So what that means is the 50 long is literally 50 wide. But if you're using 60 wide fabric, you can actually just use the width of the fabric and then use a yard of fabric, and that's all you need. What I did then is I finished up these edges. Okay, I finished up these edges. They're being noisy back there. We'll tell them, hey, shh. I finished up the edges, and then when you do this, you fold it in half, and you want a fabric that's both sides are going to look great. We've got all of these fabrics that you can get, and then all you're going to do is sew this edge. You're going to sew this end and leave about 9 inches for an armhole. And that's it. It's adorable. Finish both ends and you're good to go. And you've got this great wrap. This is one end. I don't have the other, but you get it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns. So this is the wall, and we're going to zoom in on this so you can see names like Larry Hagman, Linda Gray. I think we can see. Who else is on this wall? Show me who else is on this wall.
Well,
there's
Cheryl Teagues
Rita
is somewhere.
Marina.
Ozzie Davis.
Oh, Ozzie Davis, you guys. Can you see that up there?
Cheryl Teagues right here with the heart.
Cheryl Teagues. I heard a story about her that she was almost half naked when she signed that board.
Not when she signed
Oh, that's right. Not when she signed it. You're right. Okay.
Good Lord.
But there's a lot
that was
of
John
great...
Cleese who was half naked.
Oh,
He's
John,
somewhere, but
there
I can't
you go.
Find... Oh, there he is.
John Cleese right
John
there in the
Cleese
middle.
Right there.
Okay, guys, this is like a real amazing Hall of Fame. Great. I'm just going to go slow so you can see. Edith Head. Do you guys see that? Edith Head, if you don't know, won Oscar after Oscar for design, for fashion design. Edith Head. Oh my goodness. If you Google her name, you'll learn about how famous she was and all the great things she did. And she was here, just in the studio.
Tommy Smothers.
Tommy Smothers of the Smother Brothers. Can you guys see that one? The little smile there that the... Who drew that face? That's cute. Anyway, just a great board. Jimmy Smith's, you can see that as we go up. There's all kinds. Some have faded because it's been years and years. How old is this building?
Very old. From
This
how
building...
Old is this building, Daryl?
1948.
1948.
1948. And you can see Rita Moreno wrote, "Graffiti not allowed on this wall," which obviously no one listened to. Anyway, just wanted to share that little bit of momentum. 1948?
Was when the building was built.
Well, this
Okay,
is
so that's...
Probably mid-70s.
That's pretty cool. All right, so from Silhouette Patterns channel KERA in Dallas, Texas, happy sewing.
One of the Doctor Who's down there.
Oh, let's see that. Oh, Doctor Who?
One of them.
John.
Tom Peters, probably Petrus or whatever. One
Oh,
of the
yeah.
most famous. 1984.
All right, lousy photography, but you'll see it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.